bebecita. So my hair is not at its best. I don't like it, but let's get started with this video. This is me showing out my hair. Like you can see, it's so dry, so frizzy. I also deal with a lot of dandruff. Like if you have a tip for me on what to do to combat these dandruffs, let me know. But anyways, I start washing off all the products of my hair. As you can see right here, like yes, just enjoy for a bit. Like make sure that you wash every single product out of your hair. Like look at the length. Like look at the length for my hair to shrink like this. But anyway, ciao. Just enjoy for a bit and I'll be back in like just a few seconds. Okay, so for shampoo, I use this shampoo. You can only get it in Curaçao. I'm so sorry if you cannot get it in Netherlands. I will have to search up and see if you can get it here. But I love their shampoo and their conditioner. Like, it's the best. So every time that I get the chance and I see someone is coming back to the Netherlands, I ask them if they can buy it for me and I just transfer the money to them. Because I cannot get enough of these products. They work amazing with my hair. After shampooing, I wash everything out and then I apply the banana hair smoothie mask by the Working Formula. If you follow me on Insta, you know that I love their products so much, especially the extreme growth serum. In the end, or more in the end of this video, you will see it. It made my hair grow so fast in just a short amount of time. But yeah, I use this mask. As always, I work in sections and then apply the same, do the same steps to the other side of my hair. Okay, so after doing all those steps on both sides, I just comb out my hair with a wide toothed comb, and I start at the ends of my hair, so at the at the end of my hair. Wow. And then work my way up to the roots of my hair so I can get rid of every single knot. Okay, so now I wash out the mask and then I start with this conditioner by this brand. And if you don't have it, you can also use the Mystic Black by Nofax. Also works miracle. It's a mask, but I use it as a conditioner if I ran out of the one that I'm using right now. So, yes! And when I'm done, I do the same on the other side of my head, and then I grab my denim brush and start defining my curls. I focus only on the ends of my hair because if I use the denim brush all the way to the roots of my hair shrinks so badly and I don't like it. I like to retain a little bit of length. So I just apply it on the end of my hair. So when I'm done on this side, I do the same on the other side and wash everything out. And then we can head to the most important part of my hair and how they shrink so bad. Like even like this, they shrink, and yeah, I don't like it. But yeah, we gotta work. It's our natural hair thingy, you know. Yes. And my hair is looking like out of shape. I don't know why, but okay, ciao. Yeah, but length. So here is the Tame and Restore Extreme Growth Scalp Serum by The Working Formula. Opening with my teeth. I don't know why, but anyway, girl. Applying it at the roots of my hair. Shake it, you know, massage it in my hair so it can work some miracle on my scalp, you know. And this thing is so refreshing. It's like minty. You feel it working in your head. Like, I love it. Best product ever. So now I'm using the Nofax Leave-In. This is the Cinemax one. Cinemax, I don't know. Yeah, ciao. You see the bottle. I use this one. I also use the Nofax, the Santo Black if I don't have it. So the Mystic Black. If I ran out of this, like, it's either this one or the black one. Amazing. My girls love it. Apply it all the way, like all the strands of my hair. Make sure that every little hair gets a little bit of the leave-in. And then after I'm done with this, I apply. Oh, sorry, no. I grab my diamond. Chop. This voiceover is all over the place. I start again by applying or using the diamond brush at the roots, at the end of my hair. So yeah, and then I do it the same at the other side of my hair. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I can make it clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you. This is how my hair looks after applying the leave-in conditioner or the leave-in cream, whatever you want to call it, in my hair. But we're not even done. I know it looks crazy. I apply the Yari Green Curls Curl Maker. I usually go for the Miel Custard. I think it's the custard or smoothie. I will pop a image on the screen. I prefer that one, but it's a little bit more on the expensive side. But I do love it more than the Yari because it's more moisturized and it keeps my curls more defined and frizz-free and also shiny for longer. I usually go like for a few weeks with super defined curls, but with the Yari, I think around the third, fourth day, my hair is a little bit frizzy already, so I will have to refresh it. So again, I work in sections, but in smaller section this time, and just apply the gel in my hair, and at the ends I focus again with the demo brush to define my curls and get like the curl pattern to, you know, pop on my head. So that's all I do, and then I just restyle it and put it in shape how I want. Then dip me underway. Feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over. Okay, so now I was struggling defining my curl just a little bit because I didn't like how my curls came out. Yeah, it's like a struggle every week because I wash my hair weekly. So yeah, it has its own mind. Okay, so I just went in again with the gel and just, you know, get it how I wanted. And then I grabbed my gel. I use the Eco Styler gel, the argan oil. Yes, this one. But I also use the extreme gel. I will pop the image. Both of them work really good, preferably the extreme gel, and it's also cheaper. It's not always that my hair gets super defined or in the shape that I like. Sometimes I get more length compared to the other time, but you have to keep in mind that the natural hair has its own mind. Some days it will collaborate like finely with you. Some days it's not gonna work upon your favor. Like, you always have to keep that in mind, and my hair tends to do that a lot. So this, for me, it wasn't my best wash and go or my hair routine because I didn't get my curls how I wanted. You will see at the end. Maybe for you, you will be like, oh yes, I love the hair like that. But for me, because I know how I really want it, it wasn't the best. But ciao, just restyle it and put it how you want, you know, in the shape that you want it, blah blah blah. I think I did like a side part, but I don't even like part it. I just flip my hair on the other side and yeah, do some edges, and then I'm done. But you will see in the footage. Lastly, I use the Shine and Hold Control Glue by Cream of Nature to just secure my edges for the whole day. It holds your edges in place for the whole day. This is the best edge control ever. I highly recommend you to try it out. So that's all I do, and I'll meet you in the next clip. Hey bebecitas, so thank you for watching this video. This is my hair like a few days after with volume and everything, and I didn't really end up liking my curls, so that's why I did like this thing in front. I had another hairstyle before this one, but yeah, I need to kind of wash my hair again already, so I think by tomorrow I will wash my hair. So for today I just, you know, did like this thing just to close this vlog out. I really hope y'all enjoy it. As y'all can see, I use like different products. My hair usually don't go with only one brand, so I will have to test like different brand lines and see which one goes best with my hair. So that's why I have like a lot of products that I use from different brands in my hair. So just try out and see what works best with your hair. So thank you once again for tuning in, and I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.